This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Today I'm going to show you the two easiest ways to check for fake reviews on an Amazon detail page. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. This is something that I used to get pretty regularly when I ordered things on Amazon, and it's what I call a bribe card. The manufacturer stuck this card in there. Basically what they want you to do is give them a 5-star review and they'll give you $15, or they'll give you an Amazon gift card or something like that. This was a very common thing until relatively recently. Amazon's actually cracked down on it, but I learned after getting a couple of these things that there's a lot of fake reviews on Amazon, and here are the two easiest ways to detect fakes, and I do this practically every time I buy something on Amazon. I'm going to use a product that my company actually sells on Amazon. We're a third-party seller on Amazon. We've been doing it for a while. We follow Amazon's terms and conditions, and we do not purchase or ask people to give us 5-star reviews. We never do that. All of these reviews on this particular product are legitimate. And if you're looking at a legitimate product on Amazon that doesn't have fake reviews, it will have a different profile in a couple ways. The reviews will look different in these two ways, and here's how to look for red flags. The first thing you should do when you come to the Amazon product page, hover over the reviews, the star ratings icon here. The red flag is if all of the stars are 5 stars, like it's completely 5 stars, or when you hover over it, when you're looking at the reviews, there's only 5-star reviews, or 99% are 5-star, maybe just a couple are 4-star, and there's nothing that's less than that. And that's a sign when you see, especially if there's a lot of reviews, like let's say more than 30, all of them are 5-star. That's a sign either that the manufacturer or the seller is bribing people for 5-star reviews, or they're finding some way to ask people who leave negative reviews to take them down. So that is a red flag. If you come to this particular graph and you just see everything like 99% is 5-star, that's a red flag. The second thing that I always do when I'm checking out the reviews and ratings is I'll click on it, and you'll come down to this page right here, customer reviews. The top reviews will look different than the most recent reviews. And right now you can see the top reviews here are generally 5-star, and that's a great sign. But what I always do, even if I see all these 5-star reviews and top reviews, I also want to check the most recent reviews, because what the fake reviews, the pattern, what it will look like is the top reviews, the oldest reviews will all be 5-star, but then the newest reviews will reflect the actual quality, which will be negative. So let's check out the most recent reviews. And you can see, actually, even though we've been selling this product for 5 years, all of them are still 5-star, plus a couple 4-star, maybe even one or one negative one in the most recent reviews that we've gotten from customers. But this is a good sign that even the most recent customers are still leaving 5-star reviews, and you can also see that they're all verified purchase. The red flag for me, if I clicked on the most recent reviews, most of them are 1 or 2-star. That would be a huge red flag. It tells me there's a quality problem with the products, and all the 5-star reviews that are on the top reviews, they have been maybe either compromised in some way, they're fake, or maybe the manufacturer is just basically not really selling a high quality product anymore. So those are also bad cases. So of course, if you see something like this, a bribe, it's a clear sign that the reviews on that product are probably paid for. Fortunately, Amazon is starting to crack down on these types of very obvious things. So hopefully we'll see less and less reviews. But even still, when I go to Amazon now and I'm reviewing, I'm checking out the reviews, those two methods I just described, comparing most recent with top reviews, and then also looking at the spread of reviews to make sure that they're not all 5-star. Those are the things that I'm really looking for when I'm checking out Amazon reviews to determine whether or not I'm looking at a lot of fake reviews or the reviews are genuine. This is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm the founder of the In 30 Minutes series. If you go to our official website, you'll see all kinds of books and cheat sheets that we have about technology, whether it's Google or Microsoft or LinkedIn or Twitter or something else like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.